Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with GoodBudget, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the GoodBudget app on your device. Log into your account or create a new account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, you'll see your home screen with your current budgeting envelopes. To start scaling with GoodBudget, tap on the Add Envelope button. Label your new envelope clearly, indicating its purpose. Set a budgeted amount for this envelope based on your financial goals. Consider the categories you frequently spend in and prioritize them accordingly. Now, tap on Save to create your new envelope. Next, navigate to your existing envelopes to adjust their amounts as needed. Distribute funds thoughtfully, ensuring essential categories are adequately funded. Monitor your spending by regularly entering transactions associated with each envelope. Review your budget at the end of each month to identify patterns and adjust accordingly. Use the Reports feature to analyze your spending trends over time. Adjust your envelopes and budgets based on your findings to optimize your financial planning. Make it a habit to check in with your budget weekly. This will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments promptly. You can also set up reminders to help you maintain consistency. Consider sharing your budget with family members if relevant, to promote accountability. Utilize the GoodBudget community resources for tips on enhancing your budgeting skills. Remember to stay flexible and adjust your envelopes as your financial situation changes. Regularly scaling and refining your budget will lead to greater financial success. That wraps up our quick tutorial on how to scale with GoodBudget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.